In finance problems, you will encounter percentages and also decimals. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a percentage into a decimal and how to change a decimal into a percent. So let's start with the first group of problems. Write each as a decimal. Round to the nearest thousand place. So first of all, this symbol here means percent. Now percent, if we write it percent, it actually means over 100. So if we have 90%, it means 90 over 100. And if you put that in the calculator, you will get 0.90 or just 0.9. Problem 3. Again, 115.9%. So we write 115.9 divided by 100. And if you put it in the calculator or you just move the decimal point 2 places to the left, you end up with 1.159. So from a percentage, we change to a decimal. So if the problem, for example, says, like number 5, the interest rate that the bank gives you is 7%. So then you will say 7 over 100, which is 0.07, because the decimal point is here and we move it 2 places to the right, and it's going to be 0.07. That's the number that you will put in the formulas that you have for your problems, especially in the finance chapter. Problem 7, if we have 0.3 percentage, which is more accurate with how much interest rate we get on savings account in some banks. Well, what does that actually mean? Well, it means 0.3 over 100. So again, if you put it in the calculator or if you move the decimal point 2 places to the left and you put zeros here, right, you will get 0.003. All right, you can practice problems 2, 4, 6, and 8. You can pause the video and practice those problems. And if you did pause the video and try the problems, these are the answers that you get. I found them here. Now let's do the opposite. Let's say we have the decimals and we want to find the percent. Like for example, you calculate, you solve a problem and you end up with the interest rate to be 0.452. What does that mean in percentages? So to do that, we actually multiply each of these numbers by 100%. So what that means is we move the decimal place to the decimal point 2 places to the right, so that makes it 45.2, and we copy the symbol percentage. So 0.452 means actually 45.2%. So let's do the same thing with the 11, 13, and 15. So we multiply by 100%. We move the decimal point 2 places to the right, so we have 0.2%. Times 100%, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right, 478%. We multiply by 100%, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right, 363%. So again, pause the video, try to solve the second column of problems, and then unpause to see the answers. And here are the answers. 0.006, it's actually 0.6%. 0.05, it's 5%. 0.1, it's 10%. 0.03 is 3%. You will encounter this type of problems in the finance chapter.